Now let's talk about how we can engage in legal dimension of prayer to ensure that we get answer to our prayer. You need to understand how to apply yourself to it. Because no matter how well you read the law of a nation, you can't just walk up into the courts and become someone that will stand in for someone in the courts. That is to say, you cannot play the role of a lawyer because you are not trained in that context. Even if you know the truth or you know the fact about the matter, you don't have the legal covering or backup to enter into the law courts and begin to defend somebody. No, it's not done. And that is what so many Christians are doing. They walk into the courtroom of the Most High and they begin to present their case when they've not been trained to present their case. And as such, it can be a bad case. That even though you are aware, you know what happened, but you don't have substantial evidences, and you cannot prove your point, you cannot prove your case to bring about judgment to your favor. So you must be trained as a lawyer. You must go through the training process that validates you, that authenticates you, that gives you the backup to stand to defend a client. You must be well abreast with law. You must be well informed about the law. You must know how to channel your case. The same thing applies to prayer. How do we engage in legal dimension of prayer? How do we engage in legal dimension of prayer? One, you must bring forth your reasons. You must bring forth your reasons. Why do you need God to answer that prayer? Why do you need God to do what you are asking Him for? Why do you need God to step in the affairs of your life? What are the reasons? And these reasons must be backed up by scriptures. It must be based on the context of scriptures. In Isaiah chapter 41, Isaiah 41 verse 21, it says, produce your cause. Produce your cause. Say the Lord, bring forth your strong reason. Say the King of Kings. So there is a place where you have to bring forth your strong reasons. The proof, the validation of the request you're making. So you need to bring forth your reasons. Why do you need answer to prayer? Why do you need God to answer you? It's so important.